So it was running, and now you're taking it apart.
Yes, sir.
Why?
We are taking the intake off, just trying to finalize some stuff for the rails. And we're gonna, this is just temporary harness. Me and Frank are gonna start working on a full, like, mil-spec type harness. Nice bulkhead connectors. Clean the engine bay up a little bit, you know, get everything to our standards that we want. Make sure race days and everything go a lot easier than, you know, this mess that's going on right now. This is obviously just to make sure it got up and running. We know where all the wires are going. Now we're labeling and going through and making a whole complete harness.
So Race Spec was actually super cool and overnighted us all these connectors for our new harness for the Godzilla. It's a pretty cool sticker. If you're a Star Wars fan, you know. But yeah, pretty cool connectors in here. Definitely going to set our harness apart from, you know, just a standard basic harness that came with the power pack that we ordered from Ford. Alright, so I'm here with Kaz and taking a look at a part he's making for the Godzilla.
So we use Fusion 360 here in-house to do a lot of the design work in CAD for the custom parts we make. So we'll render it and draw it in digital space. And then cool thing about Fusion, it also does all the computer aided machining, or CAM. So we do all the tool path, we program how the material gets cut, you know, how efficient the tool paths are. We do it here. And then finally, after taking it from the computer here, we'll go up to the shop where the CNC is and bring our digital parts to life, basically. And so what we made here was a bracket to mount on the firewall of the Godzilla that houses these two mil-spec connectors. And so the guys out there in the shop are going to be custom looming every sensor and anything that has a wire on that car. And then this adds for a clean install.
Pretty cool.
Absolutely.
Alright guys, so it's Saturday night. I'm hanging out with Joe and Frank here at the shop, burning some midnight oil on the weekend to get this Godzilla harness wrapped up and back in the car so we can hopefully have this thing on the rollers by the end of the year, hopefully the week of Christmas. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some of the carnage that Joe and Frank have left behind while they were putting this harness together and getting it back in the car. And then I think we'll call it there for this week. As always, we're definitely appreciative for all the love you guys have been showing us lately. It's crazy to take this, you know, this channel from 0 subscribers to over 100 in such a short amount of time, but we definitely appreciate it. What are you doing here on a Saturday night at midnight?
Trying to get this harness all wrapped up so we can fire it up again this week and try to do some tuning or something. So, see your nice little plate we made for this. Pretty cool.
I think Frank agrees.